Good morning everyone. I am Simpy. Welcome to EPS class. We have completed chapter 9. All of you turn page number 76. Assessment 2. Page number 77. Test paper 1. Now you have to do this one by yourselves. In the next class we will discuss this one. Today we will start new chapter. Chapter 10. Title of the chapter is Natural Resources. What are the natural resources? What do you understand by the natural resources? Natural resources are the sources that we get from where? We get from nature. Air, water, soil, these are the natural resources. Why? Answer me. You can answer me in the comment section. These things are not made in the factory. In this chapter, we will study about these three basic natural resources: air, water, and soil. So let's start the further discussion. All of you be ready. Open your books. Now, all of you observe this picture and answer me, what are the uses of air? See, there are animals. Some animals are drinking water. Tree, birds are flying. Parachute is moving up. Answer me, what are the uses of air? You can answer me in the comment section. Now answer me, students. Can we survive without air? Yes or no? We need air to breathe. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. We need air to breathe. Can we survive? Yes or no? Answer me. Can we survive without air? Yes or no? Answer me. Plants, they also need air to prepare food for the process of photosynthesis. You have already studied that plants, they need carbon dioxide and water to make their own food for the process of photosynthesis. They make their food to take carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. So, without having air, plants can't make their food, can make their own food. So air is also very important for plants. Do you want to fly in the sky? How can birds fly in the sky? Sailboats, birds, parachute, kite. They can fly in the sky with the help of air. Air helps them in moving. Without air, they can't move. Birds can fly in the sky with the help of air. Parachute, sailboats, windmills, they move with the help of air. Kite can fly in the sky due to air. We use air to fill tires. Now all of you have understood that what are the uses of air. Air is so useful for us. We can survive. Animals and plants, human beings can survive without air. Now see, water. Water is our life. It's so true. We can't survive without water. Water is so precious for us. What are the uses of water? Can you answer me? Answer me. Human beings, animals and plants, they need water to survive. We drink water. For washing hands, what do we need? We need water. Brushing teeth, we need water. For bathing, we need water. For cooking, we need water. We water plants because plants, they also need water. to grow well. For the household chores, we need water. Cooking, drinking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, mopping. For agriculture and industry, water is also useful. Water is so important. For the production of electricity, to generate electricity, water is also necessary. This one is also the use of water, that water is used to generate electricity. For the recreational purpose, for the recreational activities like boating and swimming, water is needed for such type of activities. For the purpose of transportation, we move from one place to another place through the water mode with the help of ship, boats, ferries. These are the uses of water. So you have understood that what are the uses of water. Water is so important for us, so useful for us. We can't survive without water. Today we have completed 2 topics, uses of water and air. I hope all of you have understood about the uses of air and water. Air and water are so useful for us, so precious for us. And what is the assignment for today? You have to do page number 76 and 77. And whatever questions are asked in the class, you have to answer me in the comment section. Whatever I asked in the class, during class, you have to answer me. Uses of air, uses of water. Air, can we survive without air? Yes or no? So answer me in the comment section. Now this is the time to wrap up the session. Thank you. Have a good one.